Hey everybody, it's Miss Brenda and welcome to my piano lessons virtual classroom. So today we are in our Piano Adventures Level 1 lesson book and we are playing Rainforest. Let's take a quick look at this. So we are doing an interval of a fifth. So our interval is from F to C. That's 5. F, G, A, B, C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So F to C is our fifth. And our D, E, F, G, A. D, E, F, G, A. That's our second fifth. D to A is a fifth. So we're working on 2 sets of fifths today. And we are going to be playing with the pedal. And so we're going to put down the pedal when we play the very first note in our left hand, and we do not raise it until the last count of the last measure. This is going to be moving gently. With the pedal down, it's going to get kind of like lullaby-ish, and all the notes are going to blend together and it's going to make a very, very nice sound. So our left hand, starting with the fifth finger on F, our right hand, our first finger, our thumb, is on D. And we have a tie. So you play the first 2 notes, hold it for the counts of the second notes. So this is for a whole note, so it's 4 counts, or watermelon. So you want to make sure you do that. Give it all 4 counts. And then down here, we have another set of whole notes, 4 counts. And then look here, we have our octave sign. So you're going to move your right hand from the D and A here up to the next octave of D and A. And you're going to play medium soft. So we're starting off medium soft. We grow to medium loud, and we end on medium soft. So I'm going to play this for you in the next video. Take it away, Brenda. Our left hand fifth finger is on F. Our right hand first finger is on D. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now that you've heard it, what do you think about Rainforest? It's a pretty little piece. Now, one extra tip before I go today, remember when you play the pedal, your heel is planted on the floor and your toe is planted on the pedal, just far enough on the pedal so that you do not pop it off, pop your toe off of the pedal and you hear that terrible pop when you are trying to play. So this is a great practice piece for the pedal because the pedal is going to be played a lot more in the future. So enjoy this piece and I hope you have fun.